Hey guys, Mike from BlindsOnline.com, and we have a brand new product that we're going to show you how to install today, and that is our fabric Roman shade. It's a flat Roman shade with some horizontal pleats built into it. See, it's a very pretty shade. There are no visible cords, just lift and lower with a little handle on the bottom. So when you open your box, you're going to get your shade along with a matching valance, which is going to cover the headrail. You're also going to get the mounting brackets and the hardware necessary to mount the shade. The one thing I wanted to point out that this is a light filtering shade, and the shade, when it's in the sunlight, you will have some light, visible light coming through the shade. However, it will give you 100% privacy when it's in the window. You may want to note that the cords are also visible. These cords are on the back side of the shade. However, the sun will cast a shadow when the light passes through the window. So I wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that. Okay. That being said, it's a very pretty shade. I'm going to show you how this installs. It's very simple to install. Anybody could do it. The first thing you're going to do is take the mounting brackets that we supply you, okay? And those are going to look something like this. It's a plastic mounting bracket with a little metal tab on the bottom, okay? Yes, the metal tab faces the floor, so it's on the bottom. This is a universal bracket. A universal bracket means that we can use this to mount the shade either inside the window frame or outside the window frame. Okay, if you're mounting it outside the frame, you're simply going to place the bracket up above and shoot 2 screws straight into the back of the bracket. You'll see there's 2 slotted holes at the back of the bracket, okay, right here. If you're going inside the frame, you're going to shoot 2 screws up toward the ceiling. That's why you have holes on the top and on the back side of the bracket. These 2 holes are for outside mount. The 2 holes on the top of the bracket are for inside mount. Okay, so I already have one bracket mounted inside the frame just to save a little bit of time. You'll take your screw, you'll bring that bracket into the window opening, okay? Now when you're mounting these brackets, I want to make sure that you're placing these toward the ends of the shade, okay, not too far into the shade, because there are mechanisms that you'll see inside the top rail, which is your cordless mechanism, and you don't want the brackets to be in the way of that system, okay? So when you're mounting these brackets, make sure that there is no interior parts that the brackets may interfere with. You notice I put the brackets where the voids are, okay? The bracket's going to be here and here, so that when you bring the rail up to the bracket, the pointy part of the bracket is where the lip of the rail fits into. Okay, we're going to apply that lip right in there, push back on the shade, and it snaps right in. Yeah, it's as simple as that. It's all there is to it. You mount your brackets, you snap the shade right in, okay? And the last part of the installation is taking the matching valance, which covers the top rail. There's a piece of Velcro pre-applied on both the top rail and on the valance, so that all you have to do is bring it up to the top rail, push it in place, and you've completed the installation for your fabric Roman shade. If you have any other questions, you can always give me a call here at BlindsOnline.com. Otherwise, flat fabric Roman, brand new. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching.